Hello student, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am Mrs. Rebecca Rodriguez from St. Paul High School and today I'll be teaching you maths. Our topic name is time. As we all know, time is very important in our life. Yes or no children? Yes. Time is precious to all of us. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. So we should never waste time and money as well. So let's start our new topic, time.
A clock tells us the time. So anyone tell me what is the time shown in the given clock? Absolutely right. It is 2 o'clock. So let us recall whatever we have learned about a clock in standard first. So let's start.
Okay children, so look at the clock. Reading the time. The shorthand is at 4. Shorthand, it shows hours. Yes or no? It's a hour hand. So shorthand is at 4 and the longhand, it shows minutes. So longhand is at 12. Then the time is 4 o'clock. Yes or no? When the shorthand is at 4 and the longhand is at 12, then the time is children 4 o'clock. Clear? Yes. So children, the time denoted by each small line is 1 minute. So we get 5 lines. Yes or no? We get 5 lines in each intervals. Clear? Here is the another example children. What is the time shown in the given clock? Look at the minute hand. Minute hand is at 12. Minute hand means long hand. It shows minutes. Yes or no? And shorthand is tells the hour of the day. So the shorthand of the clock is 9. So when the minute hand is at 12 and the shorthand is at 9. So children, what's the time? The time is 9 o'clock. Very good. And we write it as 9 colon 0 0. Clear? So here what is the time? The time is 9 o'clock, or you can say 9 colon 0 0 also you can write it. Clear?
Now let us learn how to read half past, quarter past and quarter to. We know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So the first one is how to read half past. 30 minutes is a half an hour. So we say half past or 30. Clear all of you? Next is how to read quarter past. 15 minutes is a quarter of an hour and we say quarter past or 15. And next, how to read quarter to. So 45 minutes past 1 is quarter to. So children, 50 minutes remains to become 2 o'clock. Clear? Half past. In the clock A, minute hand means a long hand is pointing at 6 and the hour hand means the short hand is between 3 and 4. So children, what's the time? So the time is half past 3 and it is written in figure as 3 colon 30. It can also be read as 30 minutes past 3. Understood children? Next is quarter past. Now children, in the clock B, minute hand is pointing at 3 and the hour hand has just crossed the 2 mark. So what's the time? So the time is quarter past 2 and it is written as 2 colon 15 means 2:15. Clear all of you? Now how to read quarter-to. Now in the clock C, the minute hand means the long hand is pointing at 9 and the hour hand means the short hand is the pointing between 3 and 4. So children, what's the time? So the time is 3:45 and it is written as 3:45. Clear? 3:45, 45. Yes, so children, hope you understood. Today what we learned? How to read half past, quarter past and quarter to. So let's start the one exercise over here. Read and write the time in figures and words. So question number 1, first one, look at the clock children and read and write the time. So in that clock, minute hand is pointing at 6. And the hour hand is between 7 and 8. So the time is 7:30 or you can say 7:30. Why? Because 30 minutes are there. So 30 minutes means half. So 7:30 or 7:30. Clear? Okay, now second one. Look at the clock. Minute hand is pointing at 3. And the hour hand has just crossed the 10 mark. So children, what's the time? The time is 10:15 or you can say 10:15. Why quarter? Because 50 minutes. 30 means half. 50 minutes means quarter. So 10:15. Clear? Yes. Third one. Here the long hand means the minute hand is at 6. Yes or no? Minute hand is pointing at 6. And the short hand means the hour hand is between 4 and 5. So what's the time? 30 minutes. Right? So it means 5:30 or 5:30. Right? Yes. So 30 minutes means half. 5:30. And the last one, fourth one, the long hand, the minute hand is at 12. Minute hand is pointing at 12 and the short hand is at 2. Right? Short hand means hour hand is pointing at 2. So what's the time? Yes, the time is 2 o'clock and it is written as 2:00 or 2 o'clock. Both are the correct answer. Understood? Hope you understood children. Now here one more exercise I have given. So 4 questions are there. Read and write the time in words and figures. Very simple it is. Complete it at home. Okay? Here is the end of part 1 video. See you in the next lecture. Till that, bye-bye. Take care. Stay home and stay safe.